Today is Friday, January 16th, and it's Activity Day 5. Welcome to Cool Cat News.
Please stand for the flag salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now observe a moment of silence.
We see what fun events and activities are coming up at our school.
We have a new millionaire to celebrate this week. Congratulations, Hazel, our first third grade millionaire. Our next SSYRA book club will be held on January 27th on the book The Wild Journey of Juniper Berry. The AR averages for the second 9 weeks are in, and this 9 weeks, 5th grade has the highest average of students earning their AR goal. Great job, 5th grade. All grade levels increased the percentage of students earning their AR goal, which is an awesome job. We see you guys reading, and we are very proud of you. Next 9 weeks, we'd love to see those averages increase again.
Coming up next, we're going to look at today's lunch menu.
Today for lunch, we are having pizza cheese crunchers, calzone pizza minis, raspberry peanut butter and jelly, strawberry yogurt, mixed vegetables, fresh broccoli, diced strawberries, mixed fruit, and milk.
Have a fantastic Friday. See you next week, Cool Cats.
Have a good weekend.
That's all for the Cool Cat News. Let's make today a wonderful day.